one down, one layer at a time. The filament starts off like this thick, and the big cartridge on the side underneath. So it's just a huge wheel of this plastic. And then it heats it up so that it's this thin. And then this is what extrudes out of the nozzle on the end of the printer. So it's very, very hot on the end. And then it just does one tiny layer at a time. This is like the first layer. And then you can see on this one where it was halfway through the second layer, it went this way the first time, and then it turned and went the other direction the second time. So you can see how it was laying, but it's that thin of a layer over and over and over again. The YALSA, which is a young adult subgroup of the American Library Association, and then 3D Systems, they were putting together this grant opportunities, essentially a grant. It was to apply to be part of the Maker Lab Club. And with this Maker Lab Club, 3D Systems was going to give away up to 4 printers. You could designate how many you wanted. And they provide training and ideas and how to have a Maker Lab Club in your library or museum. So anybody across the country could apply. You filled out an application online, and you had to answer questions like, how many printers would you like? How would your community, how could you use these in your community? What kind of ideas could you have come up with, projects, classes? The printers that we have are kind of on the low end, the home version model of it. Like ours only do one color, and you can only do something 5 inches square. But just to kind of get the idea of how things work, I mean, it's a great place to start. So hopefully kids will think that it's a lot more fun than how dry and boring science might be in school. It's not perfect, but it gives you a great idea of what you've built, what you've created. There's a lot of science, technology, that STEM, science, technology, education, math, involved in just designing something. So then when you print it out on the printer, then you see your project come to fruition.